Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the sum and then the product of the two given number using JOptionPane in Java programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for your watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here several comments. Now here, import Java swing JOptionPane. This is a library file that we use now in order to use JOptionPane for input output in Java. So we have here public class add underscore product, public static void main, string args. It is the starting and ending point of every execution in our program in Java. So normally the JOptionPane show input dialog is a string. So we are using here string 1 JOptionPane. We are asking the user to give first value. The same thing with the second variable, that is 2. We are asking the user to give second value. Now in order to accept integer, we will convert string inputs into int values for use in a calculation. So I declare another set of variables here. Int a equal integer parse int 1, int b integer parse int 2. So it is already converted into numerical value which has a data type of integer. So in sum, sum is the what you call this ng assignment statement, equals a plus b, product equals a multiplied by b. So we have here the output, display the result, JOptionPane message dialog box. The sum is sum assignment statement, we calling backslash n new line. The product, we are calling the product, and then the result, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because we will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. By the way, I'm using Eclipse IDE in creating this program. So let us click the play button here. Okay, in first value, which say we have 4, second value we have 5. So the sum of 4 and 5 is 9. The product is 20. Another example, 3 and 6. The sum of 3 and 6 is 9. The product is 18. End of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a program that will ask two values, numerical value, and then our program will compute the sum and product using JOptionPane. A swing library file for input output in Java programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.